Okay, student. Today lab program is this one. With the given mean and standard deviation, we can simulate the values for normal distribution. Meaning is you have to calculate the mean and standard deviation. Okay, with the for normal distribution using Excel formula. This is the Excel formula. This is very important formula. Excel. Okay, this is the Excel formula. Okay, in this, as you can see, this is applicable for X, Y, and Z. W value can also be simulated. This is the formula for calculating the mean. This is the Kanun for calculating the mean. Okay, what is X? X is the value here. What is Y? Y here. Z? Z here. Okay, so in step number 1, what you have to do, here we have XYZ, here we have XYZ. Okay, so based on this XYZ, we will calculate the mean, MEAN. Mean, how we automatically the mean is 100 because we are taking 100 number. That's why here we will put 100. After this, deviation, standard deviation. For standard deviation, we will have Kanun. This is the Kanun. Square root B9. Yani meaning is the 100 square root. Okay, 100 square root is the standard deviation. And for Y, what is the standard deviation? The square root for 225 is the standard deviation. What is the standard deviation for 64? Square root of 64 is the standard deviation. So this is known as the standard deviation. This is the standard deviation. Based on this standard deviation, we are calculating the value of XYZ. We are calculating the value of XYZ. So how X? Shofina, this is the Kanun. Normal interval random, yani this is random number based on B7, yani based on this standard deviation and mean, we are calculating the value of X. Okay, same. Same formula is available here. As you can see, this is the same formula available. So normal INV random, mean SD. Okay, so you are calculating normal interval by calculating the random and the mean value. Okay, बस 15 मिनट दो. Okay, this is applicable for XYZ. So here you have calculated the value of XYZ for 100 random number. So based on that, you have to calculate this W. How you will calculate for W? For calculating the W, G by X, yani this is the formula. This is the formula. W equal to X plus Y divided by X. Yani this is X, this is Y divided by this is the Z. Okay, so here you can calculate the W and drag down. Okay, students. After this, yes, student listening. Okay, after this, you have to calculate the frequency. So you will put here 3, 6, yani with the interval of 3 number. You can change also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 15, and 25. Okay, so it is calculating the frequency. For example, the number 2 in this only 0, yani maafi. Number 8 arba marra 4 times. Number 10 16 time. Number 12 17 time. Yani it is calculating the frequency of this number in this column. Okay, so this is number 12 and this number 12 how many time मौजूद in W with the help of formula. This is the formula. Frequency equal to this J7, J10, N13 and N22. Okay, and here we are making the graph based on this. How to create a graph? Select these two things. Okay, go to view. Wait, insert this like this. Okay, so this is the, you can draw the chart like itnain mafi, arba mafi, 6 mafi, 8 arba marra, ashra 16 marra, 12 18, 13 wahid marra, 15 8 marra, 8 times. So like this is the chart, final chart of the number and how much frequency it is occurring. So boys, this is the today's program. Okay, in this what you have to do, you will uktub hina same this, hina calculate here x y z. Okay, here uktub 100, here uktub 100. Let's say hina uktub any other number 546, 555, 45, 23. So what you have to do here, uktub the formula. This is the formula SQ. Uktub this, then this, enter. Same thing you can drag drop here. This. After that, here you will uktub in place of this. You delete this and select this. Uktub enter. Based on this, you will calculate this. Okay, it is calculating the value in October dollar. Okay, B15. Okay, and now okay, 60. B16 square root C17. Okay, C7C. Okay, wait. This. This is, yes, C, this one. Yes, now it is calculated. Drag drop here. Okay, this is the number. Yes, student, any problem? It's so hard, Doctor, one by one, please. Okay. So here the mean, here deviation, here variance, here put x, y, z. So अव्वल उक्तुब हिना number, any number, हिना उक्तुब any number. Here you have to uktub formula. This is the formula SQRT. Then B16 yani this column. This column is B16. Same here.
Doctor,
Hmm.
the formula you are giving us, or what?
You have to type by yourself.
The formula.
This, yes, I will send you this file, Excel
Okay.
file. In this file the formula is available. What you can do, hina create a new file here, uktub the same thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yes. So this is the thing, and here, okay, so here after calculating this, you will go for x, y, z. In place of x, y, z, for calculating x, this is the formula. This formula is also available in the question. See here, normal, interval, random, mean, deviation. Mean yani this is the mean. Deviation SD yani this ashra 23.36. So based on this you will apply the formula here and drag drop. You can drop this, so kullu value change. Same thing for y. Shufina, the formula C7 C8. C7 yani this C7 and C8. So here if we have to apply, we will apply 23 and this yani 15 16. So here we took 15 and 16, enter. Okay, so this way we apply the formula. After that you can drag drop. Okay, same for Z. हिना शुफ मौजूद गदीम 7 8 यानी हिना जदीद we are doing, so we will put hana या दिखा the thumb stars and 16. So here change 15, here change 16, enter. Okay, this here value change, drag drop here. After that you will apply W यानी this formula मौजूद in question. W यानी x plus y divided by z. So this is G7. This formula remain the same, just bus drag drop this. After that here put one table. For example, here I put like this table. Okay, here I will put, let's say I want to show Wahid how many marra, Ashra 11, 2, 15, 16, 18, 15, 19. So we have to check the frequency for this. So for calculating the frequency, this is the Qanun. Okay. Okay. Now show Wahid how many marra? 29. So same this Qanun you can drag drop. So it will automatically calculate, and based on this it will show you the output. For these two, if you want to show the graph, go here, uh, select this is the thing. Okay, students, so this is the Aliom class. What you will do, I will send this malaf to you on WhatsApp. Okay, you will do same, but another file. Hina create Jadil file and Hina do the same thing and send on WhatsApp with your ID. Okay, students.